this video I'm going to show you how to recover Snapchat streak. So if you have been Snapchatting with someone and you or them forgot to respond and now your streak was lost, here's what you can do. So open up your browser and type in Snapchat support and then click on submit a request. From here you click on I lost my snap streak, and then you can say how do I restore my snap streak. It's going to say a bunch of different things, but you can do it. But if you see, you can fill out this form that's like blue. Click on that and it's going to open up a form, and basically in this form you insert all of this information and then just say please, we forgot it, please recover it, etc, etc. And that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.